Hi and welcome to another watch review. This is another Edifice watch review, actually a Casio Edifice. This time it's the EFR 559, module number 5572. Let me get the shot of the case back. Now if that's possible. There it is. So it's a original Casio watch with a stainless steel bracelet also. We have a ridiculously black face and a black bezel. The dial is black also. Some of the features of the watch with the standard, the timekeeping and the showing the date and the hour or AM PM mode is the stopwatch mode. Also, when it comes to accuracy, it's plus or minus 20 seconds per month. Measuring capacity of a stopwatch is 10 minutes or 9 minutes and 59 seconds. The measuring unit of the stopwatch is 1 second, and it shows the elapsed time, split time, and 2 finish times. Some of the other functionalities of the watch is that it has low battery alert. The second hand will skip, so you know the watch is on a low battery. When it comes to the battery or the type of the battery that's inside the watch, it's a 1 silver oxide battery. The type of the battery is SR920SW, and it approximately lasts for 3 years. So basically we have here main dial and the 3 sub dials and the date window over here. The date window shows the date. We have here a sub dial on the 6 o'clock that shows the seconds when the stopwatch is on, and we have a minute sub dial also when the stopwatch is on. So you can see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and between those marks show the minutes between. When it comes to basic operations of the watch, it's pretty much simple. To enter the timekeeping mode or to set the current time, if the time is wrong, you pull out this crown over here, and it has 2 clicks. So to adjust the time, there are 2 clicks. You need to pull it to the second click so you can adjust the time. As you can see, it moves. Right now I'm gonna get it back to the correct time, but you get the picture. Also, when to do this operation? Well, you should do it when the second hand is at 12 o'clock, and also you have to be very careful when if the watch is or at AM or PM time. So what does it mean, or how does it affect the timekeeping? Well, if you change the watch at let's say 12 o'clock at noon, and the time will not shift at 12 o'clock, the date will not shift at 12 o'clock at night. There are 2 clicks on this watch, on this crown. The first click is used, and you can sense it when you pull it out. The first click is to adjust the date. To adjust the date, you pull the crown towards you. So right now is 27th, and this watch doesn't have like automatic calendar. So if I would rotate the crown towards myself like this, so doing like this, I would change the date. I'm not gonna do that because I would have to rotate again to 27th of February, which is today's date. So I'm gonna get it back to timekeeping mode and engage the second hand. That's pretty much it when it comes to some basic functions of the watch. I'm gonna show you next. I'm gonna show you the loom shot, and when we are done with that, we are entering the stopwatch mode. The stopwatch mode of this watch is engaged using these two push buttons. We have here also integrated crown, but it does not have a function when it comes to a stopwatch mode. So basically, when engaging the stopwatch mode, we are looking to these two subdials, this one and this one over here. As I said, this one shows the second hand and this one shows the minutes elapsed. So to engage the stopwatch mode, you press this button over here, upper right button. So let's go. And as you can see, the stopwatch is engaged and it ticks the seconds on this subdial over here, and this one, when the minutes are elapsed, will show how many minutes has been elapsed. To stop, press again this button, and to engage it again, also press this button. To reset, press this button over here, and again to stop. To start, press this button over here. Now I'm gonna let the stopwatch work for a minute, and so I'll show you what it does next. Here we had a stopwatch running for approximately, well, exactly actually 2 minutes and 1 second. And an interesting thing I'm going to show you it how it unwinds to reset at the starting position. And first of all, let's stop the stopwatch by pressing this button, see, and then to reset it, you are gonna see how this moves anti-clockwise and this resets to 0. So let's go. There it is. Interesting to me, but pretty much those are the basic functions of the watch. Very sturdy. I would say I had a black bezeled Edifice before, and it doesn't scrape off any colors, so it looks really tough, and it's really heavy watch with excellent strap. I don't see any problems with these Edifice watches. To me, they are excellent. For the price you pay, you get so much. So there's another Edifice watch review. Thanks for watching.